been thinking about starting a jewelry business, or you actually making jewelry, but you've been thinking, how do I make money with this? This is what this video is all about. I'm about to break it down in very simple steps. By the end, you will be in a position to know how to monetize your jewelry business and make money. First things first, you need a storefront. Neither do you need capital to do this. You don't need to ship any jewelry for you to start making money with this business. Now, the gist is you can even make money digitally with that niche. So guys, I'm going to show you the tool that helped me to scale in this business, and you too can grab that tool and also use it to your advantage. So the very first step is find your niche. Are you into bridal, dainty, bold statement jewelry, or just into customized jewelry? Decide on the one that you want to concentrate on. The importance of choosing a niche is that it will help you to stand out, and people will remember you for that particular niche. For instance, if you're in the niche of bridal jewelry, that is what people will remember you for. So step 2 is build a brand that pop. Yes, use your brand to tell a story. Now, when I'm talking about brand, think about the branding, think about the logo, think about the packaging. All of this come together to showcase the kind of brand that you have. When you're thinking about creating your brand, make sure this vibe will also resonate with your Instagram page, because jewelry is something that gives people confidence. When people wear nice jewelry, they have that kind of confidence and boldness in them. So when you're creating your brand name, your logo, incorporate all of this. The third step is make and list your product. You might have physical products, you might not even have physical products. Use mock-ups to list your products. Now, the next step is you either make your own pieces of jewelry or you sell digital designs like mock-up templates. I know you'll be asking, where are you going to sell the mock-up template? People buy them on Etsy. Now, this tells you that you don't need to ship any physical product for you to earn money with this business. And my next step is marketing. You have to market smart. Use TikTok, use Instagram, use Pinterest to market the product. Use these platforms that I had mentioned to show how to use customer testimonials and tips, of the jewelry that you're promoting. Now, the bonus tip here is use Etsy to market, right? And also use your platform to create content, targeting search engine optimization by using the right keywords like handmade, like customized. You know what I mean? So this is how you're going to drive traffic to your page, to your product, for people to see it and buy. You can also use the right keywords to target the right audience or the right customers. The next step is using affiliate marketing to make more money. You don't even need to start waiting for you to make money with the jewelry. You can use affiliate marketing to start making money and even make more before the money starts rolling in from the jewelry that you're promoting. You can also sell a digital guide on how to start a jewelry business. If you don't want to do that, you can also recommend tools and you get paid as an affiliate. You know that affiliate, when you promote goods and services, you get paid a commission. So you can also do this and make money. So guys, if you are really serious about making money with jewelry business, or if you're serious about starting a jewelry business, you don't just have to scroll, you have to start. You have to take action. That is where the thing lies. I have a course in the description. Grab it and let's get you started, because that course will definitely help and assist you on how you can get this started. That is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, comment, like, save, and share the video to somebody that you know who might want to start a jewelry business. So until next time.